Good evening from here. Jpac because Voicenote match on this and there evangelist
the same place actually and actually close each other okay na Ariobiko can send their voice notes kirieri.
Oh, ndị be anyị kelekwa m unu mụ amazi na abazi mba ka na-akọzi ọnụ nke a ka a na-akpọ gị na aluta continue. So video anụ na akwadi na ba bụ voice note ya voice note mgbe ezi ka dị n'ukwu ụkwa in other words mgbe ihe ka na-aga ọfụma ya voice note Jpac sendele Akwa sendele Zion o wee nwee ike gịnị forward to evangelist Ebuka Obi ka ha wee nwee ike mee gịnị nwee interchange of business and services exchange of business and services that will bring in money. In other words, now Jpac be post to a video sena message Zion sena page ya nwụrụ anwụ gịnị no jokable page o ji azụ family ọkwa dị ka o si enweta ego kiniko kogide bam egbe wee ji. So when I just you and I know that now that is not what brought down your page. That is not what brought down your page. Something you know what you did that brought down your page. You know what you did. Which means now other bloggers need video issue. And when we post a German post that has to do with somebody that has something. That was what brought her to this issue. So mgbe the naga odo ka Zion enwega idea ihe meno or we decide ya megini ime onye obona ignore the thing we say beziokwu when answer maybe onwe ka obono ha no megini bute the ultimate showdown, the ultimate meltdown that na gini me that no more mekwatalism. Achom ku nene this video ke tu nene lo ya nisi we chante go ofuma ke no ka di okwu we megini si we bido when na ajuzi obuzonye na eme ihe alaziro. Nobody forced you to come to Zion. Nobody making forced you to start posting Zion. Even a post to Zion, the Zion you complain because there are a lot of times you go person and the Zion and the Zion showed you love, transfer some money into your account. You never complained then. This is something you started doing willingly. What on your force? Nobody forced you out from being or you decided to do that. Because from the onset, Igbo kwenye na agbabu evangelist Ebuka Obi mgbobido. But from Igbo it naturally to him, started naturally to him along the line. Ichobe go choba from Fojo, from there a we clash. Now, Ukwa arrive one at this junction now. What do we do? What is the way forward? But nevertheless, in the end of this video, una necha kabaro subscribe na this channel and make sure you share this video. Go on.
Good evening from here. Jpac because Voicenote match on this and there evangelist Ebuka Obi.
The same place actually close each other okay na Ariobiko can send their voice notes kirieri. Imagine when you na bom that namba na ko kan design do pute ego na ego do. How put 100 million this how to say in the case. Namba ya ko pute apambo wala idiot na bom ka chuwo ni oboda chuwa this ebony lost son this idiot am who left and right here. KJ wude na ego do e miss that problem. Every time I hear puta bia na do ishi ho la mgbara ke ji obo umunne gi ka umunna gi ji ha na do ishi. The same onyara o ke babatara name boss ya for me to beg to feed you. The same onyara, guys, let's listen. The same onyara, kishina na mpiko na mbu yoro ga akuko onye gi nri wait. I'm joining my saving information. Chere? Oh, this thing if I believe frozen now because the same onyara ke na Ariobiko to go and beg akun. The same onyara ke na information how to destroy your fellow content creators. When you tell me, I'm this. I got my potoya. I got my pota shawo. What la your mood open? She says she's. Wait.
When he believe in what?
Okay.
I blame God and ebe Maria Chinya clutches in brand new clutches, saying how to go here. He believe we'll come back.
The same actually clutches here look at testify and a burugama. Now when they kidnap a choribugi. Now burugama, when they kidnap after prophet, after evangelist Ebuko Hochana that time. Nothing, Nande kidnapper, now you escape those kidnappers. Or the same place as every your filthy life. The same place actually look clutches yellow. Please, I want to see Ebukobi. Please, Popam come Ebukobi because of Ako the wise. Ako mane badia. Nega na extra number. Nega na extra connection. The same place. Kire Ako biko kanguru. Somebody gonna Sarafike everywhere. The same place Kigaga. But my boy eating who got go or the same fucking place. You are very hopeless. You are very hopeless. And I will keep telling people the truth. It doesn't matter who the I'll be blocking work. Oh yeah. Zero. You want to go? The same place. Kishina honu go home. You take kidnap Ebuhugi. All this Jpac. Agamala yagema won. Ima echegam get chega. Anu na wan di kwiri moku. For where? For where? Wait. Ke hu data onyara.
Akuzayo resume edu me.
Gent.
Ke mere.
Get until.
Good evening from here. Jpac na-ekwu biko Voicenote match on this and there evangelist Ebuko Obi.
The same place actually and actually close each other okay na Rio biko can send their voice notes kirieri.
Akuzayo resume edu. Ke mere. Good evening from here.
Na be kojo indirectly. Ngema in my head the same Ebuko Obi touch kwara ke get am ebugi ga am one this blew up.
As eyes of the gods.
Touching the wrong place.
Before. Only give me the to the business that I'm bagare. I was on February 4th this year. Even they defend the minister. I could share accounts in Jpac was having everything. February. And the post 2 minutes you could share post.
Guys, share this program next time now. How about it for share and keep sharing. Click love and like and now share because ma onye obodo Matthias all those time. Oh, what him post in defending of minister. Facebook will strike him. Since that time we were now the but February, March, April, 3 months, May, 4 months. Men accounts already disabled. Now it's a red, not even yellow. But no yellow, no warning, no red. Live video. Still, the monetization is out. Just because you know, any video, Jpac post or any video post, you know. Man, I still say I'm going to say, how far? Can you say, hey, you were about a swabber? You send the other brother and the Quana pay, even in case you go to pay. Those criminals. 2 criminals.
But don't remind now. Previous month, has come worse to worse, as poor as the page may be.
You know,
2 million naira a month. Now that's has come worse to worse. 2 million naira, $2,000. That's the man that month on your eye. Other months about 3 or 4. So page you really see brought up CPR when they defend the ministry, and nothing show up. More anything. I would not 2 million naira can name the page name February, March, April, May, 8 million naira just gone. When I'm a Ghanaian, we don't take page you see and move from now revive still. My 4 accounts will get them on the tag, hanging category the request that pending a Meta app. So also my backups accounts on time they use more Mr. Jpac comedy. But he had 130,000 followers before we build this year. Before it was not giving me or leading any profits. You watch here, if I don't post anything called ministry because all the story go account. All the story go my account. I didn't post anything called ministry, church, whatever, or men are I didn't post it. Only go my account to disable. And the woman na account to disable. We go to hit it. I can know this. Oh yeah, I never done that. I don't always go for property. We push you.
Yeah, we more Arabia scam one day Zion. Yeah, more Arabia scam one day Zion. In the name of an apostle page, ya got read. Oh, got 3 pages. Only 3 pages. Yeah, more to rebapo. Come on, go one day mad that you are hungry. You need money. You planning a wedding again. Before help you. Na this is not a Joe Shimbiao. Omana kowo aboraba. Baby batego. I could don't face you road streets. I could don't face you road streets become normal again. Kebere saishi. If you am the same Zion ebere na church na ario biko ka ha biko ha ya anoge ki na video sarafik eba na sarafik oil. Eba na sarafik water. Mo Chineke agbakwa ha na ewu an intruder na ha chuwa ge. What go? Na ha chuwa ge. Ha chokwa go kweru na ala. Because ebo ni tirishi akutwoge. Imecha shek ke ebia na Zion benye testimony. Imecha shek ebia sa Zion benye testimony na ejikwara na nde kidnapper jikwara megi game enwe uzi cho hijab Zion n'ime. He ekwechiri pano. Akwa ekwechiri because akomo onye ewo. O ma na ewo. Ahu iku abuo. Iwu double sword. Akwa ekwechiri gi. Ishinanke to become MC. Oh well. Ki go egu. Oh well. Ki me MC. No. Ki me here because you came with a very bad intention. Very bad intention. You believe. Imagine when you're not that number na kokandeza ndopute ego na ego do. I'm put 100 million this hard to say GNA in the case. Nangba ya ko pute apambo wala idiot na bom ka chuwo ni oboda chuwa this ebony lost son this idiot am left and right here keje wude na ego do emes that problem every time I hear pota bia na adu ishi ho la mgbara ke ji ogbo umunne gi ka ogbo umunna gi ji ha na adu ishi
new accounts o me pere because this go new accounts are we got 2 months about to 10,000 to 20,000 followers. Still nothing to show up.
Click love and like. They're reporting my video. Click love and like. And share the video. Share. Get it.
Because I don't know.
Share to subdue their reports.
I can't from my just suggest because now almost
keep sharing, please.
More than I just need to approximately, because he was I don't happy. I'm not gonna lie you. I don't even hide the wife. I don't happy. I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy at all.
Keep on sharing, share.
And get you right, Gemma, Abuja. Ain't a everything. I can't do
account idiot without Facebook he can't feed though. Account everybody
may more overlook. I don't I'm happy. So send the voice note to Evangelist
okay. Onye Chineke dobere ngozi. As far as your words will judge you. Your words will judge you. Even when Chineke don't gozi, you want Chineke to ngozi, but you want to come and destroy him because he switched over. What you're looking for, you did not get it. You switched over 300 minutes here, you straight 360. You want to come and betray a man. that you never had the opportunity to meet. Okwa because of these things, could you make avoid not to meet him? Dala. Make they listen.
Awful. But now, the reason why I don't know online when I get in there, now I can't more the disabled and the other on my injury. I'm not
I'm Galuan, Tower, but obviously, Benade Goja, who wish you one.
Unua, factory, Unua, about one of them, which other on my. If you have this in when I can complain.
Don't share, boy. So, ex-convict and rebel face, don't share.
I'm a do George. You know what them but everybody know what he or she is passing through. Thank you.